What's up, guys? It's another one for you. You are engaging with Charles. I'm a PPC specialist for Parliament Group, and today with another one for you, just to educate you guys and yeah, share as much knowledge as we can to help you on your digital marketing journey. So let's say, for example, you have a client and you want to work on a certain campaign. Then comes to a point where obviously if you're running a PPC ad campaign or a media buying campaign, you will need to set up some tracking tools on the client's website so that they can fire up um, data on your platforms, right? It's like Google Analytics or even the platforms that you're using to run the ads. So things like, for example, uh, setting up a pixel, right? Pixel code from your ad campaign platform to the client's website or your website, depending on what campaigns you're running and for who you're running. Then you encounter something like this that the client tells you uh, they cannot allow you to do that. It's prohibited. What do you do? What do you do? Hmm. So we ran this via ChatGPT, right? Guys, you need to use ChatGPT. Is the fastest and quickest way to get around um any query. So ChatGPT gave us some interesting very interesting stuff. So it told us that you can still run the campaign, and there are certain tools that you can use. So I queried it, and this is me. Hi, can you tell me any third-party tools that can track web activity without need for a pixel? These tools often use alternative methods like server-side tracking or integrate with, I was supposed to say, with any analytics platform like Google Analytics, right? So then I had to obviously repeat that as what I said. So what are these tools? So this is what ChatGPT gave us. And firstly, um, there's there is server side tracking, right? Which involves a server instead of a client's browser. You manage it yourself with a cloud tagging server collecting data about events on your site and distributing it to analytics systems, right? So that's basically one of these. And what are the advantages of this? It enhances site loading speed by removing third-party vendor JavaScript code and consolidates data storage in one place like Google Cloud servers and circumvents tracker blocking methods, etc., etc. Okay. So then it also gave me the popular side server tracking tools. So one of which is the Google Tag Manager, right? So it's a popular tool for you guys obviously know this, right? So for managing server-side tagging released in 2020. So particularly this one is Server Google Tag Manager, right? So the interface resembles the web version with the addition of client component that processes requests. It's one of the cheaper solutions requiring cloud servers to process and distribute data. The other one, Segment, the tool combines functionality of web and server GTM, adding features like personas or customer data platform. Okay, awesome. And it's designed for non-technical users, but it comes at a higher price. So obviously this one is not ideal for us. And what about Talium? Often chosen by large enterprises, obviously, as Parliament Group. We are not looking for something that will also chow our budget. So we just want something. Um, uh, if I say chow, I mean you know that will utilize most of our budget. So we want something that is user friendly and that is not expensive, so that we can also save costs. So server Google Tag Management. So then I went on to ask, so how do I set up this with server uh, Google Tag Manager, right? So it gave me a whole list of how you do it. Creating a Google Tag Manager server-side instance, you log into Google Tag Manager. So this is what we're going to be doing now. So we want to do this. So I'm going to pause this and I'm going to continue with this video so that I don't make it long, so that you guys can catch on with me. Okay, cool.